Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of gloves for safety. Start by ensuring your Dyson V10 is unplugged and cooled down. Next, take your T15 Torx screwdriver and locate the two screws at the base of the vacuum. Carefully unscrew them and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery cover off the vacuum. This step may require a bit of finesse, so be careful not to force it. After removing the cover, you will see the battery secured in place. Using the flathead screwdriver, carefully pry up the battery connector. Make sure to apply even pressure to avoid damaging the wiring. Once disconnected, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the compartment of any dust or debris. This will ensure a better connection and prolong the life of your new battery. If you notice any significant buildup, a soft brush or cloth will do the trick. Now, take your new battery and place it in the compartment. Make sure it aligns properly with the connector. Once in place, press down firmly until you hear a click. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel unsure about this process, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and pickup and delivery at your home. Reconnect the battery connector by pressing it firmly into place. You should feel it lock in securely. Once everything is connected, align the battery cover back onto the vacuum and secure it with the T15 screws you set aside earlier. Tighten them gently to avoid stripping the screws. After reassembling, give your Dyson V10 a thorough inspection to ensure everything is in order. If you encounter any issues or if the vacuum doesn't start, it might be worth considering a quote before repair. We can assist you with that, ensuring no calls and no travel are necessary. Finally, plug in your Dyson V10 to charge the new battery. Allow it to charge fully before using it again. With your new battery installed, your vacuum should now run like new, providing you with the performance you expect. Remember, regular maintenance can extend the life of your vacuum, so keep it clean and serviced. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us for support or service options. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.